Hello and welcome to the channel where we explore the teachings of Neville Goddard and learn how to manifest using the law of assumption. Today we will talk about some popular topics and techniques that Neville Goddard was famous about, so let's get started. In simple words, the law of assumption is the belief that you can practically manifest your every desire you may need in your life simply by assuming the feeling of the wish fulfilled, the feeling that we would have had if our manifestation was real and into our lives right now. According to Neville Goddard, reality is simply a reflection of our own thoughts, inner beliefs and convictions. So, by changing our beliefs and perception, we can practically change our life. So, let's explore the basic principles of the law of assumption. The concept of I am is one of the core principles in Neville Goddard's teachings. The I am represents your connection to God. This connection to the divine, or the source, let's say, of the creation, exists within us because we are gods and creators of everything in our own life. I am statements can help us align our desired state and actually solidify it. For example, by using I am affirmations like I am wealthy or I am healthy, I am loved can help in positive assumptions and actually help us manifest our desires. Another thing that Neville stresses is the importance of creative visualization in manifesting our dream life. The most effective visualization technique is to imagine a scene that implies the fulfillment of our desire and get so immersed in the imaginal act that enables you to feel the emotions associated with the fulfillment of this desire. Now, another important thing to consider is that you need to use this technique in a relaxed and drowsy state, preferably before sleep, to enhance its effectiveness, or, as Neville calls it, SATS, the state akin to sleep. As discussed previously, our imaginal act needs to imply the fulfillment of the end result. If we keep repeating our visualization, the feeling of the realization of our desire will become more prominent in our everyday life, even though our desire may not be manifested yet. Living in the end, in simple terms, means fully embracing the feeling of the fulfillment of your desire, even before it manifests physically. By living in the end, the focus from lack gets directed to the realization of our desire, so we can actually align our thoughts with our desired state. So, does it work? Well, countless success stories over the internet can demonstrate the effectiveness of the law of assumption. Many people can share their experiences online regarding manifesting wealth, relationships, and even healing, and actually overcoming physical disease with Neville's teachings. Now, these stories are always an inspiration and maybe proof that the law of assumption actually works. So the best thing to do is to actually give this a try, and you may be surprised. But this was our video for today, so thank you all for watching. If you actually enjoy this type of content, feel free to give it a like and subscribe to the channel, and of course share it with your friends. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for the next one.